Hey, welcome to another video, another crazy video about, well, this is a crazy story about my friend from Divo. They text me and they said like, hey, can we send you a helmet and can you help us with a short video? And I said, why not? Yes. So this is gonna be the unboxing and I'm gonna show you what I get from my friends. I'm so excited about this box. Okay, let's go to the video. Oh well. There's a couple things. Oh, they have an USB charge. Oh, okay, I need to plug in this helmet. But okay, this is an adult size helmet. There's the brand and it has a couple lights behind. You can use these things to make your helmet fit to your head. It's really cool. And user manual. I got the large one helmet and it's like 59 to 61 centimeters around my head. You know what, I'm gonna show what can you do with this helmet. For be clear and just for let you guys know, I love this helmet. I really love it. I would like to share with you how can you get this helmet, this beautiful helmet from Amazon. So on this side you're looking right now the Instagram page. I'm gonna show you the step-by-step how can you get this beautiful helmet. The first step is looking for Divo on Instagram. The second step is check the link below. Then it's amazon.com with the Divo helmet. They have a lot of options: blue, black, yellow helmets. Then you're gonna check your size. Before you check your size, you are completely ready to go to the cart and get your new helmet. Then I really appreciate my friends from Divo again. They gave me this helmet. I really love it. That's it for today. Appreciate it for being here. Appreciate it for seeing that video. And see you next time.